There is a massive trap homeowners fall into when they start looking at heat pumps, and it usually starts with a fancy nameplate. You might think you're buying a superior machine, but you could be paying a premium tax for the same steel and copper as your neighbor's unit. If you don't know who actually builds the equipment in your driveway, you are flying blind. I have spent 17 years in this trade, starting as a nuclear electrical operator in the Navy. I have seen systems that look good on paper fail in the field because the budget version was actually built better. Today we are looking at two different approaches to heating and cooling. The Liberty GLZS5B and the Weatherking WP14AY. On the surface, they look like they are in the same league, but the build quality tells a different story. The Liberty comes wrapped in a full louvered steel panel as the first line of defense against hail and impacts. The Weatherking also has a louvered coil guard, which is more durable than flimsy wire cages on some builder-grade units. Let us talk about the real reason you buy a heat pump, the HSPF 2 rating, and how it affects your bills in January. The Liberty is pushing a 7.8 HSPF 2, while the Weatherking sits at 7.5. That gap can be the difference between backup heat strips kicking in and staying off. Under the hood, both are single-stage machines, simple, reliable, and easier to repair than inverter systems. Even in this standard category, one brand shows clear confidence in their manufacturing. Here's what they do not tell you at the big box stores. Weatherking is often the value play for Rheem. Liberty is part of the Dakin and Goodman family, so you are comparing a flagship standard system against an entry-level workhorse. The warranty shows confidence. Both offer 10 years on parts, but Liberty adds a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That guarantee means if the compressor dies, they give you a whole new outdoor unit rather than just a part. Weatherking does not offer unit replacement for this model, so Liberty is betting on American-made build quality. Let us talk numbers. Liberty equipment averages $3,150 with installed price around $8,800. The Weatherking equipment is around $2,400 and about $7,800 installed. You are paying a $1,000 premium for the Liberty. Is it worth it? Pro tip, half of your efficiency is just maintenance, clean coils and change filters, or you will burn money. The Liberty GLZS5B is the undisputed winner for superior 15.2 SEER, 2 efficiency, and that 10-year unit replacement guarantee. For a $1,000 difference, you are buying a decade of peace of mind. And that is the professional's choice. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC for-beginners.com.